And so I made it. The brand set. The top.
Cute this is. Hold on. Look at that. These pants. These pants. Bratz, babe.
The pants. The everything.
Oops.
The almost messing up the Z.
I like that. Looks more green down here than it actually
I will say I
is,
can't get through one
way,
project
like
without having a mishap. The shirt I wanted to do to go with a wig. The pants, they were Reebok pants, but I've been pressing over Reebok pants that I got at a liquidation store, so that's what we're doing.
It's a little better, but it's a bright pink, and it says Bratz. And then I did the pants too. Oh my god. Okay. I'm thinking about going back. Big bald. I don't know. I have to think about that. But yes.
I'm over here trying to get a good angle, and I ended up having a voiceover anyway because somebody was playing loud YouTube videos down the hallway.
Look at that though. Come on. I just put my
Forgot I could do voice reduction. Voice. Noise reduction. Lord.
Look at that. It's a skinny strap. But I got this sports bra on. Aww. These actually were Reebok's pants. But I literally pressed over the Reebok. You can kind of see some of the green in certain places, but I could try to hide it the best I could. But I like it. And I put these stars on the pockets because I'll be doing different shit. I'm renting the motherfucker. Hold up. I didn't put nothing on the back because, well, except over that Reebok logo. But I put it on the back because it's all about what I'm looking at. It's all about what I'm looking at. I got it. I don't know what all these little white things are. Alright, back to what I was doing. I had to take a break to carry a bunch of orders in the house. That's just kind of... Ooh, hold on. I can't get over how cute this is. Hold on. Look at that. These pants. These pants. Bratz, babe.
And that's all.